Right, Nazca room. This one costs $13.63 a night. Noticeably smaller, still quite comfortable. Best linens I've had on the bed since I've been in Peru. Not that I really care, but they really are nice, comfortable. TV, I haven't even used it. I've been busy. Little table, a little stool underneath the table. Bathroom's small but very functional. Has regular hot water here, and it was pretty comfortable. It lasted long enough. It's warm enough here. You probably really don't care about warm water too much. And if you go down this hallway, there's a nice patio, balcony overlooking the mountains and the city. So, this is Nazca.